There we go, guys, ready to rock and roll with all these tires, man. So there we go, guys, we just dropped off the wheels and then we're gonna pick them up tomorrow, where they're hopefully gonna be mounted and everything. So that's fucking dope. Let's go. Okay, so this was actually a pretty hard task actually, just to get the wheels inside the car, because you kind of think there's a lot of room in your car until you try to put in actually proper big things. I got one wheel in the back, of course. I actually thought I could have two wheels in there, but there's just like a centimeter and I can't get the other wheel down. But by the way, to everyone who's like interested in what wheels, tire setup we got, I ended up going with some Big & Thompson Sportman ST 255/60, of course 15 inches, raised white letter, standard load. Not that much to it. I mean, they're pretty wide, I guess. I mean, 255, that's pretty decent too. So yeah, should be good. Let's try to mock these wheels up on one side, just to like get a view of how it's gonna look in the car, right? But for the sake of the video, I'm of course gonna install them on one side, because I'm so hyped to see these like wheels on and actually lower them and see what ride height and everything. It's still gonna sit pretty high probably, because I haven't changed any suspension yet, but let's do this, man. Look at this. Look at that lip. Look at that wide lip.
Hey baby, what are you doing? You're never too hot to rock, baby.
Oh boy, look at that fitment though. It's literally the perfect width. Look at that. I am the master of choosing wheels and tires. That right there is fucking amazing. Now we just need lowering springs, because you can see that like ride height right there. I even pushed the suspension down. Of course the car gonna tilt it over to the right, because I still have the small tires on the right side, but damn, I'm so hyped. It looks like a drift car right now with like the small rear wheels. Like they're all the way in, and then you got that weird crab walk looking thing up front. It looks sick. Look at this. I'm so hyped right now. This is insane how good it looks. This is the fresh one, right? And it is damn fresh, okay? I mean, it doesn't get old to look at that wheel. It's like the best wheel designed in muscle car history. Rally 2 wheels, man. So, by the way, let's just compare the width right here. So you guys can see a 255 compared to a 225. So that's like the edge, right? No, it's actually a little bit more. 2 seconds. There we go. So it's about like a thumb wider, I guess. It's kind of hard to show on camera. One of these like squares wider, whatever. So it's not actually that much, but I guess, I don't know. It looks kind of big compared. This is like a hand, right? In like width, so it's like 2 hands and maybe a pinky or whatever. So this is the old wheels. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? So grainy and shitty, and I think this is the left one where the car burned most of the times. Sorry, the other guy on the inside is like a paint shop or whatever, so if you hear that sound all the time, it's him. Straight up destroyed. I don't know if you can see this on this tire. This is actually a pretty good tire. I think this was the left front tire. I don't know why that's so much better condition than all of the others wheels. If you look at the If you look at the front right tire, it's all grained, and literally these like blocks, if you will, on the tire is getting stretched off. Like they're getting removed like Lego bricks or something. It looks pretty sick. But after finally getting these wheels done and everything, it is so cool. The car looks so mean right now. I mean, just look at this. I just can't stop smiling. It looks so damn aggressive. Like they're so wide and so big, and they fit like it's so awesome that the fit fits so perfect. First, if you guys remember the last video, I test mounted the wheels, and they fit like perfectly with the fender, right? Like it was a perfect line down. So then I thought to myself, okay, but then maybe the tire's gonna be pretty wide. You know, like the tire kind of swings out from the wheel or whatever, like it makes this kink out, but not really actually, because the wheel was like this bit like under the fender or whatever, like the edge, so it's perfect right now. The tire is just I couldn't have hit a perfect fitment without using spacers. I don't have any spacers, nothing on. Everything is standard on the car, and then I bought these 15x8 wheels with 255 tires, and it's just perfect, dead on. So I'm really damn stoked. I'm gonna put in a lot of like photos, maybe like beauty shots here at the end of the video. So guys, first of all, getting the wheels like fitted, balanced and everything was a nightmare. I went to like 6 places, and they were all like, oh, it's old school steel wheels, we don't know how to do shit about that, we're stupid. I mean, it's like mounting every other tire. I mean, it's even easier in these old tires because they're so high profile, right? Like they're not even low or, I don't know, tight or stretch or whatever. Like it's just, you can put them on with a hand nearly, right? Then like after like visiting 6 places or something where they were like, no, we can't install them, blah blah. We finally got a place that installed the tires. It was like late in the day, I don't know, like 5 PM or so. So they said I can come back tomorrow and pick them up. I was really hyped that day to put them on, so it didn't happen, and I just cried myself to sleep. No. Next day, I basically go and pick them up, and the dude is like, yeah, they're outside in the back, and I come out and I'm waiting to see some fresh, nice tires with balanced fucking weight things on. I don't know what you call them on in English, whatever. I even have a lot of them here at the garage. I just don't have the machine to mount them. Whatever. So I expect these to be on, right? Because then the wheel would be balanced, duh. But no. Then the dude was like, we don't know how to put this on. There's not this typical lip on your wheel so we can click them on. Then why don't you just use the fucking one with the 3M stick on the back? But no, he couldn't do that. And then I ended up going to the places you also saw in the video, across the seat, like across the street, while also the yellow Plymouth Cuda and stuff were parked. And they were pretty kind, and I got it pretty damn cheap for like, I don't know, 10-20 bucks or something. I told them how the other guys didn't know how to do shit. So now we got the wheels right over there. 2 of them are on the car and 2 of them are over there. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe if you guys are new. And next video gonna be a little bit something else. I'm gonna try to fix some electrical thing. We're also gonna flush the radiator and maybe do an oil change or something. Try to do like a few maintenance things on the car, you know, maintenance. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm blue. I don't know why the lighting makes me blue over here. Weird. Bye. Have a great time.